so I'm about to make the quickest, most simplest upside down pineapple cake that you can think of. Like, but this is gonna be an upside down pineapple dump cake. So I can take it to my mama's house. I know that's you? No. Yes, it is. All right, so I can take it to my mama's house for now. But let me show y'all what I got, what we working with. So we did upside down. No. Okay, so we doing the white cake mix by Duncan Hines. I wanted to use the butter flavor, but I don't have the butter flavor, so I'm using this white cake mix, which is fine. Okay, so we have brown sugar. I have a can of crushed pineapples. Oh, these are chunks, but it's over too. But use crushed, okay? Or you can use rings actually. Use whatever you want. I got chunks. Then I have those cherries that start with the letter M. I'm not gonna try to pronounce it. And then I have me some butter here. Don't say nothing because I got me some Blue Bonnet too. We know this is mostly vegetable oil, but it's gonna work because it's been butter my whole life until I found out what real butter was. All right, so we're gonna start off by melting 5 tablespoons of butter. Yeah, this recipe calls for 5 tablespoons. I'm giving y'all measurements, but when you see me do more or less, don't say nothing. And I got some cinnamon too. All right, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and, because these need to be drained. They both do. So I am going to drain everything, okay? I'm gonna just turn this, I cracked it open and I'm gonna turn it upside down in the sink so it can drain. And I'm gonna do the same thing for these, but I'm about to put these in a strainer. So I'm about to grab a strainer so that I can drain these in a strainer. So I got my strainer here. And I'm gonna just turn this upside down in the sink too. But I'm gonna put it in the sink so y'all ain't gonna see what. Y'all ain't gonna see it. This is going in the trash. So let's go to my mama's house. She cooking dinner, of course, because today's Sunday. So my mama cooking dinner. And we are going to, I'm gonna just make the cake and I'm gonna take it to my mama's house and I'm gonna bake it over there. All right, so in here, all right, so I'm gonna do a whole cup of brown sugar, okay? And I promise y'all, there's quicker ways to do this. Okay. So that's that. I'm gonna put some. Y'all, and I make my cinnamon. We grind it. Alright, so for the butter, I actually have real butter, but I'm using one with the oil in it. I'm using the Blue Bonnet. Now, I'm going to absolutely say Blue Bonnet is absolutely delicious. I put it in my chocolate chip cookies and baby. Okay, so I just put that in the, on melt so that it can melt it. Okay, so I am actually going to say like, comment, and subscribe. Just do those things because you're supposed to, okay? While I melt that stuff, the butter. So the cake, you don't need no eggs, no oil, and no water. Don't need none of that stuff, okay? No eggs, none of that. Alright, so this is melted enough because everything else is going to melt in itself together. So I have a plastic fork. Use plastics, okay? Let's clean up. But if y'all be doing some pretty stuff, use it. Who cares? Alright, so I'm going to pour this in there. Yup. I promise this recipe is quick and easy. It's just not seeming quick because if I wasn't recording, I'll actually be done with this. Yeah, it needs more cinnamon. I don't smell cinnamon. We're going to take the top off. There we go. I bet I can smell that. Okay. So, it's done. Now, what I'm going to do, this is what I'm going to do. This is what you're going to do too, okay? You're going to pour this at the bottom. I'm going to leave this for the top because I'm about to melt some more butter to pour on top. Now, you can cut your butter up in cubes for like the top portion, but I'm going to melt it because I like to pour mine. Okay. So, all right. So I have my cherries here, right? Melted. They not melted. They drained cherries. Let's go to back here. All right, and then I have my pineapple chunks drained too. Now I could absolutely go in and I can just put this in like a bowl, take a knife or a fork and pull them apart because they pull apart like that. See, let me show you. And I could just, let me try it again. It's right here by my foot, so I'm so sick. I could just pull them apart, right? But I'm not doing that because nobody has time for that. So I'm gonna just put these down here. Spread these cherries out a little bit. Okay. There we go. All right. And if you want more pineapples, use more pineapples. Like use 2 cans. If you want to, because it's your cake. Do as you please. If you want to use not bluebonnet, don't use bluebonnet. But I'm gonna say that bluebonnet was just as expensive as any other butter that you can go to the store and buy. So I got bluebonnet. Okay. Okay, look at that. All right. So now the good part. I'm gonna go to my mama's house. I'm about to go throw some leggings on in this t-shirt and be comfortable. Okay. Go in her white room. Oh yeah, she does have a white room. Me and my sister used to go over there just to, we would go in there and the kids would be in the other room and we would lock the door to the white room because kids are trifling. I'm sorry, if any kids is watching this, y'all trifling. Y'all don't care. Okay. This is the crust. To me, this is the best, absolutely best part because I love the crust and I don't eat a lot of bread. So baby, I'm gonna tear this up. We need some whipped cream. I wonder if my home got some Cool Whip or something, you know. So cover up those, you know. And actually, since I'm about to travel with this, I don't think that I'm going to, yeah, since I'm about to travel with this, I am just going to take the cubes of butter and slice the butter up. So just try to even it out as best as you can, making sure the pineapples are covered. I'm going to pour the rest of this on here first of all because no butter and no sugar is to go to waste. Because why would we waste butter and sugar? Alright. Okay, so, you know what, I should melt, whatever. I'm just going to go ahead and, and we just go lay it on here. Like that. Do it now. Slice it good. Slice this butter just like you should. Slice this butter just like you should. My knife. Yeah. We gonna keep it cute. Okay, it needs some more butter though. So what I'm gonna do is put all my trash in here. And then I'm gonna get some butter out of here. And I'm gonna just put it like in between here and there. And if you don't use butter with oil, don't come on here talking stuff. Just go somewhere else and mind your business about your stuff. And if you're not supposed to be eating this, just watch it. Just watch it, okay? Precisely. I thought I had a squeeze bottle of butter. That was gonna make this so much simpler, just to like squeeze butter everywhere. But I don't have a squeeze bottle. You doing a lid check? Really?
No, it's a barrel squeeze.
Oh, who doing it? Let's go. It fell right here on the side. Okay. So that's it. So I covered it in foil and I'm bake it on 375 degrees for about 30 minutes. And I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I am back and I completely forgot the cake was in the oven because I got to my mama's house and I went and started chilling. But here it is. It is done and this is what we're having for dinner. So my mom made some fish fried and grilled and rice and cabbage. And this is the cake. They ate it up already before I can get back and take a picture. Y'all, this dumb cake is so good. Now see what happened when I came back. I just took it out the oven, ate some fish, and it was done. Make it, you won't regret it. This cake, to go sit down under a blanket and get the itis, okay?
Jam said she called me Elmo.